Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy your own Hokkaido Inu coin. So this is actually super easy. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. The first thing is you want to make sure you're using Google Chrome. So make sure you're on the Google Chrome browser, right? Then go to CoinMarketCap/currencies Hokkaido Inu. Just find it and then go to contracts, and as you can see right here, it's on the Ethereum network. Go ahead and copy this address, that's important. Now you want to go to a website called metamask.io and install this on Google Chrome. So make sure you are on Chrome, install metamask for Chrome. Once you've done that, you can go to extensions and here it will be. So you want to hit it, and now we have to change this, or if it's already there, on the main network. So make sure you're on the main network, okay? So what you want to do then, we want to add Ethereum into our wallet here in order to buy the Hokkaido Inu from there. So first, send the Ethereum. You want to go to Coinbase. So I definitely recommend you Coinbase for this because it has very low fees, it's beginner friendly, and it's just super easy to use. I have a link in the description down below to create your account, and you can get a $10 free Bitcoin bonus, okay? So what you want to do here, you want to go to send and receive, and now we're going to send the Ethereum to our wallet there. So make sure you go to open your wallet, MetaMask, and then copy it, copy your account. Then enter in the amount of Ethereum, so pay with, change this to Ethereum. That's really important. So we have to find it right now. It can be, it's definitely somewhere here. Here it is, Ethereum. So let's do $100 of Ethereum to the address we just copied, and the node, yeah, you can add a node, it doesn't really matter. And once you've entered in the amount, you can hit continue, and it will be deposited within seconds into your MetaMask. So within seconds. Then once the money has been arrived on here, you want to go to a website called Uniswap. So type in Uniswap here, and then go to use, and this will open up the app of Uniswap, and we can transfer the Ethereum we just sent to MetaMask into the Hokkaido. So I already connected it. Go to this, hit connect. So for you, if you haven't connected, hit connect here and then connect, and make sure you hit submit, and then it will look like this. And now we are going to add, for example, 10 Ethereum, select a token, and the token won't be displayed here. You want to go back to CoinMarketCap, copy the contact list again, or the link, I'm sorry, go to Uniswap, paste it in, and there it is, Hokkaido Inu import. Then you get this, trade at your own risk. I understand, import, and there you go. Now you can buy your own Hokkaido Inu. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.